Hey guys, Lucky BKH here. Welcome back to another video. So guys, today we are wait, what? Sorry. Tornado Dan is up. It is a new update, which I'm really excited about, and who looks like it has to just with Juno. I'm really excited. So yeah, let's start off with the Jabad Journal. Sorry for my nose, just or how I talk because it's allergy season for me. A lot of allergies. But anyways, Wild Weekend, Prank Weekend. Oh, this sounds fun. Looking to liven up your den? Get ready to prank your buddies with classical practical jokes this weekend. Be sure to check out den items like jars of peanuts and fake spiders while you look the part of a pro prankster with the cartoonish accessories. All of these items will only be available this Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That sounds fun. Right. Coyotes, yay! I'm really excited for these. I'm surprised that they are coming out this in summer because it's not autumn yet. But anyways, as autumn colors fall, fall has colored what? Wait, hold on. As autumn colors fall, fall has colored autumn coyotes with a gorgeous pattern of beautiful leaves that spread across the ground as they walk. The fall winds have brought this phenomenal and blah, 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 have brought these phenomenal animals into Jamal, but there's no telling how long they'll stay. So be sure to become one soon. Alright, Juno's sacrifice. I'm really excited for this. Juno's sacrifice. The mystery of the temple of the ancients has been solved. Juno, an ancient an, an ancient Arctic wolf, helped to seal away Belush in order to keep it safe. Okay, guys, wait. This just changed from this to that. What? Oh, I didn't know I was supposed to do that. Okay, oh, that's cool. Anyways, um, Jammers are invited to visit the Temple of the Ancients to read the message Juno left behind. Following the monumental discovery, Jama's top archaeologists will continue to uncover ancient items and accessories once thought lost forever. That sounds really exciting. All right, National Honeybee Day. August 18th is National Honeybee Day. Go to the celebration by picking up your favorite honeybee items and check out all fun facts around Jama. Well, today is August 16th, so y'all are off by 2 days. Anyways, oh wait, I didn't get to finish. Pet honeybees. Click any of the honeybee facts around Jama to adopt your own pet honeybee. The adorable flying pets for all jammers. Alright, well that sounds fun. Alright, let's go on to this one. Wild peaks. The mountains are home of all kinds of amazing animals. Learn more about them at the Wild Peaks exhibit in the Conservation Museum. Double gems. Ooh. Did you know that games in Jamaa sometimes give out double the gems? Just look for times two gems sign with balloons. Sounds fun. Abstraction. Oh, they had some animal jam Kabbalah. It was so cool. Is that a butterfly or a tree? Is it upside down? Head scratching abstract dead items are arriving soon. Cool. New buddies! School is back in session for a lot of jammers, but the beginning of a new school year is the perfect time to meet new Animal Jam buddies. That is actually really cute. And it's just about dash tag and get ready for school. Oh my god, that is so cute. That is adorable. So yeah, that's really it. And finally gets my member daily spin. Alright, I got 2 gems. Or not gems, what am I saying? 2 diamonds. But yeah, let me just change it to, I don't know what I was doing with that outfit right there. What am I doing? Alright, this is gonna be me. This is probably, I'm sorry guys, I cannot speak. This is probably gonna be my new main outfit, but let's go into Jamar Township and let's go. Sorry guys, let's go into the diamond shop and let's get ourselves an autumn coyote, which I'm really excited about. So we gotta wait for Animal Jam to load. because Animal Jam has been really laggy for me lately. This makes me really upset. And now I can't get in here. This is freaking killing me. Wait, when were there always diamonds there? And I just noticed it? Oh. Okay, fine, then I can go inside. Hopefully. What? Okay, you know what? No, I'm done with this. I'm done. I'm done. I can't. Alright, here we go. Diamond shop. Yes. Alright. So let's get these autumn coyotes. Alright, I see someone over there with it, but I don't want to look. Alright. Oh my god, they're so adorable, but I just don't have enough. Oh god, they're right there. I'm not going to look. I'm gonna cover them up. See how many? I only have 9. Well, I'm gonna have to go to my other account. And of course, I was gone for too long. But let me log out. Right, log out of Look at Make It Get. And yeah, Ninja Snickers. Boom. Ooh ee ooh ting tang wah wah bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ting tang wah wah bang bang. I see someone there. Right, I didn't know if they were still there. Oh, I didn't even see them. In the meantime, let's go check out these new honeybees that they got. Hello. Right, let me just check how this is doing. Alright, let me go into a Pondale. Let's get these new honeybees. If they're even in a Pondale, I don't even know. Alright. And guys, sorry that this video is really long. Animal Jam is really laggy for me. But yeah. It's what? Sorry guys, I clicked on a button. Yeah, no, yeah. So let me go get some let me just go here. It's just so much more faster than going into a diamond shop. Alright, come on. Alright, let's add an animal. Because I know that I have enough to buy one, I'm pretty sure. Come on. Alright. Yeah, I have enough. And of course, it's probably going to be all the way at the top. Okay, and this is amazing. This animal right here is the enchanted, the enchanted, the sorry guys, the enchanted eagle is really cool. Here it is, the autumn coyote. That is really adorable. All right, yipping tall master, yipping sunny monkey, sunny moon, yipping sunny moon. That is so cute. Let's buy it. All right. Oh, I have 26. All right, that's cool. All right, let's go get that that honeybee. I would like to get that honeybee. Oh, look, a bunny. So cute. You guys, I actually have a golden pig. Wait, what? What on earth is this? Oh, a sugar glider. I'm like, what? Alright, come on. Oh wait, phantoms are in stores? Were they always in stores? Oh, okay, so I can't get the honeybee here. Well, that's very depressing. So, let's just, let's check out the coyote first. Then we can do whatever. Turn it up. Right, so this is really adorable. So let's get an outfit sorted out. So let's see. Wait, what's this DJ headset? Oh my god, that's adorable. That is so cute. Oh my god. Alright, wait, I just want to see what the giant. Alright, let's see. Flower. Oh yeah, I love the flower count on that. That's really pretty. I think I'm gonna go for the white one. Alright. Let's go to the neck. Oh, baby, do you know what that's worth? Yes. Alright, we're gonna do that one. Let's go to the back items. Alright, Cupid wings. Cupid wings. Okay, the one blanket doesn't really match. I guess we're gonna have to go with Cupid wings. Or the okay. The Cupid wings look really cute. That is adorable. Alright, let's go to the fit. I don't think I'm going to put anything on the fit. Wait, the leg armor? Alright, the leg armor is cute. That's cute. Alright, let's go to the tail. Guys, I think I'm putting like too much. Yes, the autumn tail leaves. Alright, I think I'm gonna leave the colors like that, but I just want to change the eye. Make it all white. Perfect. And I think I'm just gonna leave it just like this. And then the pattern, because it comes in different colors. So let's see. Ooh, the blue. Ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, I like this one a lot. And let me just go. Alright, okay, I'm gonna leave that one open. But let's just go to the Temple of the Ancients. What I don't even know where that is. I feel so stupid. I think it might be in the Temple of Zios, but I'm not too sure about that. I actually think it looks pretty cute, but I think it might be too much for my kids, so I might change it up a little bit. Where is the Temple of the Ancients? Lost Temple of Zios. Where is the Temple of the Ancients? Think it might be in here, but I'm not too sure, 'cause I totally forgot. I totally forgot. That won't let me get into the Temple of the Ancients, makes me upset. Really, really upset. I can get into the Temple of the Ancients, or whatever this is. Come on, really? Yeah, 'cause that's Brady Bar Laboratory. Alright, I might have to go over this another time. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!